Hello children, how are you all? In today's video, we are going to do chapter 11 from Total English book. On the first page of this chapter, we have the transformation of sentences. We have different forms of transformations here. First is conversion of compound sentences to simple sentences. Children, go through these sentences to learn more about it. The second conversion is conversion of simple sentences to compound sentences. Here we have the examples like the teacher punished the boy for disobedience. The boy was disobedient, so the teacher punished him. So learn these conversions here. Down the page we have the conversion of simple sentences to complex sentences with the use of the fact, that, however, what is, till. Turn the page. On the next page you will find more conversions where we have the conversion of complex sentences to simple sentences, then conversion of compound sentences to complex sentences, conversion of complex sentences to compound, and then interchange of principal and subordinate clauses. Children, come to the assignment on page number 169. Now in this assignment we have first one already solved. Look at the second one. Sunil must apologize or he will be dismissed. Sunil must apologize so that he shall not be dismissed. In spite of hard work, she failed. She worked hard. Still, she failed. My frock was not returned until it had been washed. We have to begin with something. My frock had been washed before it was returned. I have found the book that I had lost. Beginning is given, I had lost a book, but I have found it. This news is too good to be true. This news is so good that it cannot be true. To my great joy, he stood first in the examination. He stood first in the examination, therefore I am very joyful. Rajiv was opposed by all his friends. Still, he married that girl. In spite of. In and spite are two different words. In spite of opposition from all his friends, Rajiv married that girl. Unless you confess your guilt, you will be punished. Confess your guilt so that you will not be punished. Although the major saw the danger, he did not raise an alarm. The major saw the danger, but he did not raise an alarm. Besides passing the examinations well, he won the first prize. He not only passed the examinations but also won the first prize. Rekha will not resign unless she is compelled. Rekha will resign only if she is compelled. When Shyam had finished his work, he went out to play. Having finished his work, Shyam went out to play. Children, now come to page number 177. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. John Henry Faber, a French biologist, once. 0 example is given here, conducted. So, we have the example given in past tense, conducted an experiment with precisionary caterpillars. Full stop. He took a flower pot, pine needles. Children, what is the answer here? He took a flower pot containing pine needles. The caterpillar's favorite food. Around the rim, he placed the caterpillars, one behind the other, until they. Now, after they, we have a dash. What is the word? Form. So, until they form a complete circle. The caterpillars begin to do what? To circle around the pot's rim, blindly following each other but going nowhere. They dashed this for an entire week. They did, past tense. Then one by one they dropped off the pot, hopelessly, past tense again, exhausted. So narrow, their vision, past tense again, was. We will take past tense as was. Their vision that none of them break, again past tense, broke the circle to go to the pine needles for nourishment. Now children, come to part B for the fill-ups. The High Court set dash. Now High Court set what? Set aside the decree of the lower court. A good tree brings dash, brings out good fruit. I have to run dash this chapter before the examination. I have to run through. The burglars broke dash our shop. The burglars broke in two. She set dash organizing the exhibition. She set about. We can no longer put up with his insincerity. He let dash his friends. He let down. The boat lay under several feet of water. For C part, joining of sentences. The first sentence, I was wrong, my father said this. My father said that he was wrong. Second, you may succeed or not. She is not interested in it. She is not interested whether you may or whether you succeed or not. Sentence number 3. When will the function start? I want to know. I want to know when the function will start. Let's hope your father will agree. If so, we will go out for a picnic. Let's hope your father will agree. Only then we will go out for a picnic. Children, part D. Example 1 is given. Submit your form before it is too late. Answer is, let your form be submitted before it is too late. Question number 1. Only graduates can apply for this post. Begin with none. Children, with none we use but. None but graduates can apply for this post. Second, Jane is the prettiest girl in the town. Begin with is, end with a question mark. Therefore, we are going to change this sentence to interrogative sentence. Is Jane the prettiest girl in the town? No other king was as wise as Ashoka. This is the change of degree that we have to do here. We have to use wiser. So, comparative degree. Ashoka was wiser than any other king. Why did he deprive you of your property? Question mark. Begin with, why were you? So, deprived of your property by him? Question mark. Rekha will not resign unless she is compelled. Rekha will resign only if she is compelled. It was such a boring show that we left before the end. The show was so boring that we left before the end. He is sometimes careless. He is rarely careful. As soon as she received the good news, she began to celebrate. No sooner did she receive the good news than she began to celebrate. Children, with this, we finish this chapter. Write all these answers and revise them, practice them properly. Thank you.